Good morning. Alan Nuckman from the CME Group with your morning market stir for Friday, April 12th. Well, stocks continued their upward move yesterday. The S&P was up 5 at 1588. New relative highs were made at 1593. The Dow futures was up 63, 147.96. The Nasdaq was unchanged at 2853, but it's had a 4% run in just the past couple of days, taking a bit of a pause. The euro currency continued its strength, 131.23, holding above the 131 level. It was up 66 points on the day. The dollar index was down 24 to 82.26, had a low very close to 82. That's the key level of support that we'll want to see it push through to confirm a top here in the dollar index. The bond market was steady, up 9 ticks, 146.07, and crude oil was down over $1, down $1.20 at 93.76 after touching 95 and then backing down as it's been in this range. The gold market was steady as well, up $2 at 15.60. So after this record week that we've seen, where do we stand on this Friday morning to begin a new trading day? Well, right now we're off a little bit, 1584.5 in the E-mini S&P, down 3.5 ticks, 3.5 points right now. Wells Fargo and JP Morgan are going to announce earnings, so that could kind of set the tone for the day. That has yet to come out. The Dow futures right now are down 28, 147.69. NASDAQ futures are down 8 at 28.45. The euro currency is backing off some overnight, down 45 at 130.73. Again, 131 is the key resistance here that we pushed above yesterday, but we're pivoting down below right now. And we'll want to see if we can beat above that level on a weekly basis. The dollar index has bounced a little bit, up 11 ticks at 82.43. Last week we had that reversal where it made new highs and then closed lower on the week. It was a good sign of a top potentially. And right now we're a little bit below the closing number from last Friday that we'll want to keep an eye on of 82.60 is an important number. That's where we finished last Friday. We want to see some follow through this week. The bond market's up a little bit with stocks down, up 21 ticks, 146.27, and crude oil's down another $1 at 92.50. Again, crude's been trading within this channel again that was established at the beginning of the month, beginning of March actually, between $92 and $95. Right now we're down $1 at 92.50. The gold market's backing off once again with a little bit of a dollar strength. Gold's at 1548, down 16. So to wrap up the action, 2 hours to go before the stock market open. Again, we're waiting for Wells Fargo and JP Morgan earnings announcements to set the tone for the day. Right now, we've got a little bit of weakness, down 3.5 at 1584.5 in the S&P, and down 28 in the Dow futures at 14,769. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.